नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सबका टारगेट विद अभिनंदन चैनल में। आज आज चैनल आपका पसंदीदा चैनल जिसका नाम है टारगेट विद अभिनंदन। इसमें आज हम आपको यूपी पीसीएस 2019 का प्रीलिम्स का GS1 का पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चंस के साथ। United Nations Climate Action Summit 2019 was held at which of the following cities? Answer है D. New York. Use of polished rice in human diet causes the following disease. Answer A. Beriberi. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Answer है B. Vitamin B2, cod liver oil. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other as reason R. Assertion A: most of the vitamins are not synthesized in human body. Reason R: human organs synthesize only essential micronutrients. Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Quotes: both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are the true but R is not the correct explanation of A. आंसर इज होगा C. A is true but R is false. Match list 1 with match list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. The lists: Kevlar, Taxol, zinc, phosphide, nitrocellulose. Answer है B. 2, 3, 4, 1. You are watching Target with Abhinandan and question paper is of 2019 UP PCS prelims. हिंदी मीडियम के लिए एक बार मैं ऐसे लिंक दे रहा हूँ ताकि आप उसे स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर के अपना कर सकें। ये A sample of any of the following substances disappears after some times when exposed to air like camphor, naphthalene or dry ice. This phenomenon is called sublimation. The phenomenon used in optical fiber for transmission of light energy is total internal reflection. Which of the following statements about enzymes are correct? They are biocatalysts. They perform their action on the site where they are produced. Answer is C. Both 1 and 2. Mother's milk provides almost complete diet to the newborn, but it lacks the following iron. Arrange the following substances in chronological order of their first synthesis in lab. Black gold, fullerene, graphene, Kevlar. B. 4, 2, 3, 1. Bibliometry is function of library network, information management system, service. Answer is C. Information management tool. तो बिब्लियोमेट्री इज़ इंफॉर्मेशन मैनेजमेंट टूल। ये हिंदी मीडियम वालों के लिए क्वेश्चन पढ़ने के लिए मैं दे रहा हूँ, यहाँ से आप लोग पढ़ लीजिएगा। आइए चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स 2019 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 12। Which one of the following is associated with albedo? Answer is D. Reflecting power. With reference to the Deep Carbon Observatory DCO, which of the following statement is correct? Answer is C. Both 1 and 2. It is global research program to outreach role of carbon on Earth. It conducts field observations of deep microbial ecosystem. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? D. Kyoto protocols and save water is not correctly matched. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other as assertion R. Answer है A. Both A and R are true, but and R is the correct explanation of A. तो assertion था आपका maximum number of the species of butterflies are found in tropical countries. Reason is R. Butterflies cannot tolerate low temperatures. Question number 16 है the amount of energy during transfer from one tropic level to another in an ecosystem. Answer is B. Decreases. ये हिंदी मीडियम के लिए यहाँ से आप लोग पढ़ लीजिए। Question number 17. Which of the following is associated with biological nitrogen fixation? Blue green algae answer है। Smoke is essentially caused by the atmospheric presence of oxide of nitrogen and sulfur. The Global 500 award is given for more achievement in which of the following fields? Environmental conservation, population control, Pollution control. Answer is B. Environment conservation. Black hole is a flight recorder in aeroplane. A spot on the sun. Answer is D. A collapsed star. The most biodiversity rich area in India is Western Ghats. Which of the following is a nodal institution for implementation of sustainable development goals in India? Niti Aayog arranged the following committees formed for small scale sector in a chronological order and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. C 4213. पहले होगा कार्विक कमेटी, फिर होगा 2 यानी एबिड हुसैन कमेटी, फिर होगा 1 नायक कमेटी एंड द 3 इज एस कोहली कमेटी. तो ये होगा क्वेश्चन 23. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 है मैच लिस्ट 1 विथ लिस्ट 2 एंड सेलेक्ट द आंसर यूजिंग द कोड्स गिवन बिलो. ये लिस्ट दी हुई है लिस्ट ए प्रोग्राम की और ये लिस्ट 2 है लॉन्च ईयर की 1975, 1976, 2005 एंड 1983. Answer is C 2143. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other as reason R. Answer is B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. यहाँ से आप assertion और reason को देख सकते हैं ऐसे. The dependency ratio in India is declining because population of 15 to 59 year is relatively high. Which of the following sustainable development goal SDG will target to water availability for all and its permanent management up to 2030 in India? SDG 6. Who has propounded the concept of limit to growth? Club of Rome. The number of persons who remain unemployed for a major part of the year is called usual status unemployment. With reference to the corporate social responsibility, which of the statement is correct? D. Neither 1 nor 2. Physical Quality of Life Index PQSLI is Maurice de Maurice. What is India's rank in Global Hunger Index in 2017? Answer is A 100th. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. Answer is A 2314. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Answer is 1234. ABCD 1 2 3 4. A का 1 है उज़्बेकिस्तान का ताशकंद. ठीक है. और आंसर 35 क्या है? मैच लिस्ट 1 विथ लिस्ट 2. ये लिस्ट 1 दी हुई है, ये लिस्ट 2 दिया हुआ है. इसका आंसर है A 2341. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Tribe and place. Answer is D Kyrgyz. Not correctly matched. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other as reason R. ये रहा आपका assertion और ये रहा reason. Answer is B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. कुछ आपका अगर छूट रहा है तो आप इसको बीच में पॉज करके और देख सकते हैं, रिवाइंड बैक करके भी देख सकते हैं. मैं पूरी वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग तो कर दे रहा हूँ, लेकिन कुछ अगर आपको लगे कहीं रुकना है तो पॉज करके आप वीडियो को पूरा देख सकते हैं. कुछ छूटने नहीं पाएगा आपका. Which one of the following is the correct sequence of the hills of central India located from west to east? Answer is B. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other as assertion R. Answer is A. Both A and R are true, but R is the correct explanation of A. Imphal Basin surrounded by Manipur hills is a fine example of lacustrine plain. Which of the following river is famous for its fault valley drainage? Damodar. Which of the following natural region is known as land of big games? Tropical savan, tropical savanna region. With reference to the Himalayan range, which one of the settlement is correct? 1, 2 and 3 are correct. यहाँ से देख लीजिए 1, 2 and 3 क्या है. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other as reason R. Answer is B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Arrange the following battles in chronological order. सरनार, बिलग्राम, धर्मथ, जजाऊ. तो आंसर इसका ए है. चेक 2, 1, 3, 4. Question number 46. With reference to Hath Yog, which of the following settlement is correct? Hath Yog was practiced by Neophytes. Hath Yog technique was also adopted by the Sufis. Answer is C, both 1 and 2. Which of the following is not the characteristics of Ekta system? Revenue from Ekta was directly deposited in Sultan's account. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Tughlaqnama. C is not correctly matched. हुमायूंनामा तो गुलबदन एकदम सही है. 49 है. In each year was the Native Marriage Act passed? 1872. Match list 1 and with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Answer is B, 2, 3, 1, 4. Which of the following is not correctly matched? The communal award. Arrange the following event in chronological order and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Answer is A, 4, 2, 1, 3. The trial of the officers of the INA was held in Red Fort, Delhi. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other as reason R. B is the right answer. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. ठीक है, तो ये हो गए आपके 54 क्वेश्चंस. 55 है. विथ रेफरेंस टू द नेशनल कैलेंडर, विच ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट? नेशनल कैलेंडर ऑफ इंडिया इज बेस्ड ऑन विक्रम एरा. नेशनल कैलेंडर इज अडॉप्टेड फ्रॉम जनवरी 26, 1950. नाइदर 1 नॉट 2, दोनों गलत है इसमें. इन ईच ईयर वॉज अकाउंटिंग separated from auditing and controller and auditor general's task only remained confined to auditing the government accounts. 1976. Who opposed planned development in India? Mahatma Gandhi. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other as reason R. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. With reference to the federal system in India, which of the statement is correct? One only. States have no right to seize on the union under the Constitution of India. ये हो गया. How many items are there in the 11th schedule of the Constitution of India? 29. With reference to Prime Minister Office PMO, which one of the following statement is correct? C, only one. It came into existence in 1977. The provision of the 6th schedule of Indian Constitution are applicable in each of the following states. Tripura. Which of the following is not correctly matched? C, prohibition. To be certified. The money bill is defined in which? money bill 110 आर्टिकल 110 में होता है. Cross border oil pipeline inaugurated by PM Modi in September 2019 connects which of the following cities? Motihari and Amlekhganj. Jaipur was listed as World Heritage Site by the UNESCO. Baku, which was held in the city Baku. 67. The newly appointed managing director of IMF is Kristalina Georgieva. National program launched on October 10, 2019 by the Indian government to encourage talented children to enrich their skills is Dhruv. Match list 1 with list 2. Answer is D. 4312. The 2019 Nobel Prize for Economics was given to a woman for the second time. Name the first woman who was earlier awarded this prize. Elinor Ostrom. Rural sanitization strategy launched by Ministry of Jal Shakti in September 2019 relates to which of the following periods: 2019-2029. Central Institute of Indian Language is located at which of the following places? Mysore. India aims to achieve land irrigation utilization by the year 2030. Which geosynchronous satellite launched vehicle was used by ISRO to launch Chandrayaan-2 spacecraft? GSLV Mk3M1. Which of the following statements about India's largest charkha is or true? It was inaugurated in Noida. It is made of used plastic waste. Both 1 and 2 सही है. Which of the following organism has white? Cockroach. White blood जो है कॉकरोच में होता है. नाइट्रोजन fixing bacteria made combination with of the roots of pulses. What happens when the some change is placed on a soap bubble? Its radius increases. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Rayon. Which of the following substance is not a protein? Cotton. A liquid remains hot or cold for a long time in thermos flask because there is no loss or gain of heat by both A and B. Which of the following gland is human body act both as an endocrine gland as well as an exocrine gland? Pancreas. Which one of the following material contains calcium? Gypsum. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Silver bromide. Tulsi plant has medical values due to the presence of the following phenols and flavonoids. What is true about ecosystem? Producers are more than primary consumers. With reference to the eutrophication, which of the following statement is correct? Both 1 and 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 89. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइबर्स आप लोग इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा, लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा और जो हो क्वेरीज हो उसको कमेंट में ज़रूर लिखिएगा. द इन्वायरमेंट मॉडिफाइड बाय ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज़ इज कॉल्ड एंथ्रोपोजेनिक इन्वायरमेंट. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू? स्पीशीज डाइवर्सिटी इंक्रीजेज फ्रॉम इक्वेटर टूवर्ड पोल्स. Which one of the following is not the well-suited example of bio-indicator of air pollution? Lichens. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Desalination. Answer is D. Pasteurization. Which one of the following is an example of herbicide? Sodium chlorate. The gas which is emitted in the paddy fields is increase in the earth's temperature is methane. At which of the following places is the Secretariat of the International Solar Alliance located at present? Gurugram. 96. The first union territory of India to run 100% on solar energy is Diu. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is assertion R. Answer is A. Both A and R are true, but R and R is the correct explanation of A. Multidimensional poverty index include D. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. तो ये है आपके 1, 2 and 3. हेल्थ एजुकेशन लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड. ठीक है. Arrange the following events in chronological order of their commencement and select correct answer from the codes given below. Answer is B. 1, 3, 4 and 2. Question number 100. Under the civil registration system (CRS), it is legally mandatory to register birth and death events within how many days in India? 21 days. National Family Health Survey 5 does not include HIV test. The environmental coordinate curve (EKC) shows the relationship between per capita GDP and environmental loss. What is the shape of environmental coordinates curve? Inverted U-shaped. Answer is A. Given below are the statement. One is assertion and the other is the reason. Quotes have both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Which one of the following direct benefit scheme (DBS) has been recognized by the Guinness Book of World Records as the record largest direct benefit scheme? PAHAL. 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 Question number 105. With reference to the National Food Security Act, which of the following statement is correct? C. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. So all 3 are correct. You can read it from here now. With reference to the measures of tenancy reform in India, which of the statement is correct? Answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. Regulation of rent, security of tenure, conferment of ownership on tenant. With reference to the functions of public sector in India, which of the following statement is correct? C. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. C. In the Suez Canal region, the correct order of lakes lying from north to south direction is Lake Manzala, Lake Timsa, Lake Great Bitter Lake, Little Bitter Lake. 109. Telegraphic plateau is a part of North Atlantic Ridge. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using ये है list 1 tropical cyclone और 2 country कोड्स हैं और आंसर इज डी 2314. ए का 2, बी का 3, सी का 1, डी का 4. Which one of the following cities is not located in the Trans-Siberian Rail route? Answer is C. South. Answer is C. Sochi. Which of the following is not correctly matched with Santa Ana, California? The answer is D. Mistral, Australia. Coalfields and location. Answer is D. 1324. Which one of the following peaks is not located in India? Gurla Madhata. The winter rains caused by western disturbance in northwestern plain of India gradually decreases from west to east. In each of the following rivers, the upper course contains fresh water but saline water flowing at the lower part. Luni River. Moribund Delta is a subdivision of which of the following delta? Bengal Delta. Which given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion, the reason are sugarcane and sugar production in UP is more than Maharashtra, but productivity is less. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Jarib, a type of tax. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. B का 1342. Which of the following statement following king's patronage to Tanseen before Akbar? Raja Ram Chandra Singh of Bhata. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. B. Pandya. Answer is Madura. B. 2341. Arrange the following monuments in a chronological order and select the correct answer from the codes given below. B. 4231. With reference to the Mansabdari system, which of the which of the statement is correct? Mansabdari में one system was the official nobility of the state started by Akbar. Match list 1 with list 2. Answer is C. 4213. Arrange the following event in a chronological order and select correct answer from the codes given below. 4213. With reference to the civil administration in 1905, which of the statement is correct? Lord Curzon decided to rearrange the provincial boundaries. Answer is B, both 1 and 2. Who prepared CR formula to remove the political deadlock between Muslim League and Indian National Congress? B. Rajgopalachari. The Rise and Growth of Economic Nation in India was written by Bipin Chandra. Each of the following the provision, protection and improvement of environment safeguarding the forest and wildlife affect the Constitution of India, both A and B. X131 question है. With reference to panchayats, which of the statement is correct? 50% seats shall be reserved for the women of SC/ST categories. Gram Sabha in body consisting of all persons living in the village. There will be a answer is D, 3 only. मजदूर किसान शक्ति संगठन MKSS, a social movement has been associated with which of the following in India? National Social Assistance Program does not include following scheme of for below poverty line household. Answer is C. महिला किसान सशक्तिकरण परियोजना. Who said India is a quasi-federal state? KC where? Arrange the following events in a chronological order and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other as assertion R. Answer is both A and R are true, but R is the correct explanation of A. National Panchayati Raj Day in India is celebrated on 24 April. Which of the following article was inserted by 42nd Constitution Amendment to provide for participation of workers in management? Article 43A. What is the legal nature of the preamble of the Constitution? It is not enforceable. Which of the following is correct about the heading of the Article 162 of Constitution of India? Executive power of answer is extension of executive power of state. Which of the following temples is also Khajuraho of Vidarbha? Markandeshwar. ये है list 1 व list 2. You have to match this both and the answer is 1, 4, 2, 3. In October 2019, India announced to establish a high commission in which African country? Sierra Leone. According to Niti Aayog, which one of the following state is at the top of the India Innovation Index 2019? Karnataka. The author of the Booker Prize winner 2019 books Girl, Woman, Other is Bernadette Evaristo. Whom did PV Sindhu beat to win the first ever gold medal for India in women's single? Nozomi Okuda. Which of the hydropower plant in Bhutan was inaugurated recently by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Mangdechu Power Plant. Which among the following was the first 100% organic state in the world? Sikkim. The book Venu Shilpa was by Chitracharya Upendra Maharathi. relates to which of the following form of arts? Bamboo art. Para athlete Deepma Malik, who has been awarded Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2019, belongs to the sport shot put. तो ये हो गए आपके 150 क्वेश्चंस। यूपी पीसीएस 2019 का ये पेपर है जो 15 दिसंबर 2019 को हुआ था, उसका क्वेश्चन हमने आज डिस्कस किया है। अगले वीडियोस में हम आपको सी सैट का भी क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। तब तक के लिए चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और फॉरवर्ड करते रहिए ऐसे क्वेश्चंस के लिए। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।